Hi, welcome. Today we are in Steyn City, one of my absolutely favorite places to be, with so much to do and so much to see and enjoy in terms of nature and amenities. This is a massive home. We have 5 bedrooms, all en suite. We have a cinema room, a gym room, beautiful, almost double stand, and multiple entertainment spaces. So without further ado, please follow me and let's go and explore this gorgeous home. So we now find ourselves inside, and what they've done very nicely with this house is the entire house is a U shape. So we've got garages on both my sides, and then the rooms and the bedrooms upstairs are all wrapped around the central courtyard. What this does is allows for a lot of natural light to come into every single room. So starting with the courtyard, your guests will see this gorgeous wild olive tree right in the middle here. There's a massive office to my left and a smaller office to my right. And of course, these rooms can also have different use for people. So if you were to use them for, let's say, cigar lounge or men shed, you can go inside and have a look quickly. Then why not? We can do something like that. Just a quick squeeze of the space. And then we're going to go into the house and have a look at what the house has to offer before we delve into the rest of the offices. So great courtyard. You can do a lot here. You can see that it's been left, quite minimalist at the moment. Just another quick look. But imagine how much vegetation you can put. You can even play around with maybe a bit of a water feature, koi pond, seating spaces. And that takes us into the house. Now that we've stepped inside, we have the entrance, little landing area that you just eases you into the home. Remember, we still have that gorgeous courtyard in front that we got to enjoy with the 2 offices that we're going to show you later. And then we immediately step into one of the multiple living spaces. So this is a huge living room. I love the fact that we have a gas fireplace here. It will bring ambience in winter time, and that we have those massive double volume ceilings with the exposed beams, so you get extra volume in your space. Right behind me, a second fireplace. This one wood burning, so the one is for ambience, the one is for real warmth, and it is situated in the middle of this open plan space, so it will very easily warm up the entire space. Then we're stepping into what is set up as the dining room, currently an 8-seater, easily a 12-seater or more. And remember, this is a very big house, so we have multiple other entertainment rooms. So stay till the end to see everything this home has to offer. From there, we're stepping into the kitchen, very neat, very clean, a touch of the modern farm, like a ever so slightly farm style, but still very modern. Tones of eggshell, touch of wood. We even have, I can almost feel like creamy tones. And then everything else with marble countertops and folding windows that will lead us out into the patio. So for when we are entertaining, all these windows can be folded, and we place the tapas and the catering here, and it reaches out into the patio. We're going to explore the patio shortly. Then we're stepping into the pantry. Just a quick look how well situated it is. So from your kitchen, the cooking space, pantry is easily reachable. A quick look here also with your appliances. There's a gas stove, and everything is Miele. We have a grill, we have a big oven, so built-in appliances, really great. Just a quick look at our scullery, and then there's a cold room here as well. So very convenient as well. Then we can go back into the house. Very nice feature, what they've done here with the wooden slats. They've just created some wine cellar situation going on right next to the dining room. So that's very convenient. And then right next door is a linen, not a linen, it's a laundry room. And then leading down into office number 1 of the 2 offices that we saw right in the front where the courtyard is. Now let's head and explore further into the ground floor of the house. This is probably every child's dream, a built-in cinema room, and it's very well situated. With some houses, you wonder where the cinema room placement, how it fits with the rest of the house. But here, it's right next to the lounge. It's spacious enough. You currently have 6, 7, 8 seats, but very easily you can add more. I can feel immediately, it's a hot summer day, but I can feel already cooler in here. I can also hear myself that it is very well sound insulated. So air conditioning, sound, everything is absolute perfection. And on summer days, I think you probably spend most of your days here. Then next door is the guest toilet. It's again perfectly situated next to the cinema room. And then we're going into the guest bedroom downstairs, which is a full ensuite bedroom. But let's first have a look at the bedroom. Great that you've got a door leading out into the garden. Huge space, queen size bed, easily can be a king size, easily with space also for couches and so on. Door leading out into the garden, but we're going to go and explore the garden now separately. And just a really nice one of 5 bedrooms in this space, plus 2 offices, plus full ensuite. Private space, it can even have its own entrance directly from the front door. So now we're going to explore the outside before we head upstairs and check out all the bedrooms. So this is a very big house, but the way it was built and the shape and the architecture allows all the rooms to be very easily accessible from pretty much every corner of the house. So we've stepped out onto this absolutely massive patio. The patio already has a table of how many? It's about 14 chairs, couches, we have the built-in braai, so plenty of entertainment that should be happening all outside. Then remember when we were in the kitchen, we were talking about the folding windows where your tapas can be placed, so everything will come this side. All of the windows in this house are double glazed. That is a tremendous benefit and advantage to have a home with double glazed windows. It keeps your temperature very even throughout winter and summer. All of this will be open. All your tapas will be here. They've very cleverly put the bar stools right here. So you have a mix of a bar and an entertainment space at the same time. The braai, like I said, we are all north facing. So the sun is setting to my left-hand side, meaning that when you're sitting and entertaining, you even get to enjoy the sunset. And then the entire length of this garden is against the green belt that we are enjoying the look of right now. And there's a separate little gate that you can access your green belt from directly from your property. What an absolute pleasure. So we've now reached the end of the patio. Beautiful swimming pool. I like that you have this very long, deep seat that's running the entire length of the pool. So when you're entertaining, people can just sit there, just enjoy the coolness of the water. Here's the gate for the green belt and more space, more garden space. We are on a double, almost double, not quite double, but extra large stand. So great. Let's go in because there's so much more to explore. We're going to head for upstairs now. Okay, so we find ourselves upstairs now, and you'll see we have plenty of bedrooms, all en suite. We even have a little nook here, right as we come up the staircase, to put our piano and maybe enjoy playing some music. And then we have the view just across from me of the green belt that we explored earlier on when we were on the ground floor stage, and we saw the entire green belt, so absolutely great. Then what's really nice in the space is that we have the main bedroom on the one end of the house, and the other bedrooms are wrapped around the rest of the house, so completely private, huge space. I don't know if it's easy to realize, but we can easily fit a couch and an entire lounge suite here, as well as additional furniture. And then we have our own private balcony, which gives us access again to the view of the garden. We have those stunning wild olive trees, the green belt again, and we are on the elevation, so we get to see the beauty of Steyn City. So we can step back into the bedroom. Note that we have a wood-burning fireplace here. It's really nice. It's quite nice that we have a bit of a recessed ceilings going on, and we have the air conditioning and the sound. So everything here is built for comfort, and with the high ceilings, it's just a perfect space to decorate to the way your heart desires. Double doors, sliding pocket doors into the walls and leading us into the massive walk-in closet. So it's wrapped around this huge island in the middle, everything in white, so it's super clean, very neat, a ton of drawers, a ton of cupboard spaces. We're carrying on with the air conditioning, the natural light, so plenty of space to pack all your stuff away and keep it neat. And from there, another double doors sliding into the wall, hiding away, giving us that open plan feeling and leading us into the ensuite bathroom, which is with a freestanding bath, really beautiful, oval shape, very classy, 2 basins just on my left-hand side, heated towel rails. Again, we have the high ceilings, the music, the sound and the aircon, and then a separate toilet and a double shower. Everything super neat with this massive marble tiling, and then we have the smaller towel in the shower, so everything just speaks to each other very, very well. And from there, we've stepped into the gym area. So another door that will close, so everything can be separated. And then we are into the gym area that is fitted with its own toilet. So there's a toilet right behind me, and we also have a sauna. So come check, feast your eyes on this awesome sauna here. It's backlit, the seating, so I can just imagine the relaxation that can take place in the sauna, and obviously the healthy lifestyle that it induces. And stepping into that toilet is specifically for the gym and your sauna area, so it's always great to have that separate from the rest. No one has to step into your bedrooms and anything of the sort. Now we're into the gym. Huge space. Do anything you want with it. Of course, currently it is a gym, but with the amount of space that you've got, the sky's the limit. This house gives you a lot of under roof square meterage, so quite a lot of that you can play with. But currently, full-blown gym. I think you can actually charge membership for this gym. Carrying on from there, very smoothly transitions into a hobby room or a homework room, space for 3 desks with the adjacent cupboards and everything, wide enough, spacious enough and sunny enough to make everyone feel comfortable to indulge in their favorite homework or hobby. And from there we've stepped into the upstairs pajama lounge. So quite a lot of rooms we've explored, and we haven't even seen the rest of the bedrooms. So far we've seen a bedroom downstairs and the main bedroom upstairs. Now we're heading into bedroom number 3. And like I was mentioning, all of the bedrooms are en suite and all of them are very spacious. So here we've got a double bed, lots of cupboards. You can do your building of your models and everything else here. And then we're stepping into an ensuite with a big shower and quite a lot of packing and stacking space for the basin. And then we're heading towards the next bedroom. All of the bedrooms also have great views. It is one of the benefits of being on an elevated stand as well. So this is bedroom number 4 that we're looking at. Pretty much the same setup as the other one. Identical shower bathroom setup with the double bed and the extra space so that the kids are not fighting, very important. So far we've seen 4 bedrooms in total, 1 downstairs, 3 upstairs, and we're carrying on. Just a quick note here, we have a big walk-in packing space, linen room, and we then stepping into bedroom number 5 for this house. This one is fitted with a queen size bed. Again, plenty of additional space. All of the bedrooms are carpeted, and through here, very similar style bathroom as the rest of the bedrooms that we've seen. Oversized shower, a floating cupboard with your basin and your mirrors, and that completes the bedrooms for the house. So 5 bedrooms, all en suite, and what we've also seen upstairs is a humongous gym area. We've seen a pajama lounge, we've seen a hobby room, and while we are walking, we're stepping into the last living space that is set up here at the staircase landing that is literally across from the staircase. So we started on that side, then we did a complete wrap around the house. We saw all the bedrooms and all the additional spaces. This here would be the quiet reading corner, maybe where you want to just sit and just relax for the day before you get started again with the hustle and bustle. And now we're going to finish off in the garden, which is my favorite spot. So if you've stayed all the way to the end, thank you so much for watching. We have seen a magnificent property on an elevated stand, prime location in the magnificent Steyn City. We have incredible views above the entire city really. We have 5 bedrooms, a gym, a cinema room, so much more that this home has to offer. A gorgeous green belt literally across from me that I'm getting to enjoy, and I'm getting to enjoy the sunset very soon. So, and all of this is on a extra large stand. So extra large property, extra large stand. What more could you possibly wish for? Give me a call and this home can be yours very soon.